Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn how to add ceilings and ceiling grids in Revit. Go to the Architecture tab, then click Ceiling. From the drop-down, choose Ceiling by Room to automatically place a ceiling inside a closed room. Move your cursor inside the room, and you'll see a highlighted area. Click once to place the ceiling. Now, let's check the ceiling in 3D. Go to 3D View or an interior view, and you will see the ceiling added below the slab. To adjust the ceiling height, select the ceiling, and in the Properties palette, change the height offset from level. For example, set it to 2.7 meters from level 1. Next, let's add a ceiling grid. Stay in Plan View, select the ceiling, and you will see the grid pattern appear. You can rotate the grid by clicking on the blue rotation icon, or align it using the Align tool. If you want to change the type, go to Edit Type, then duplicate it. Name it 600 by 600 Acoustic Tile. Click Edit Structure and assign a material such as Acoustic Panel. Click OK, then Apply. Now, your ceiling grid is updated with the new tile size and material. For more control, you can also create a sketched ceiling. Go to Architecture tab, Ceiling, Sketch Ceiling. Draw the shape using lines or rectangles. Then click Finish Edit Mode. This option is useful for open spaces or rooms without enclosed walls. To verify, go to a section view and you'll see the ceiling height and material layers clearly displayed.